Alexa, stop.
For the when you're going to airport.
Oh yeah. So, can you tour me on your new house?
No,
Why not?
this is too skip here.
Okay, you just tell me what is that? Ano yan? Ano yan? Yang nandyan sa upuan. Ano yan?
Dogong and her bed
Okay. Tapos ano yung nandyan sa upuan?
is like the kitchen's here.
Tapos ano yan? Bakit nandyan yung laptop mo?
Cause the baby's inside there.
Asan yung baby?
Inside here. At this box.
Bakit nasa box?
Cause it's like a crib.
Oh, crib yan pala. Tapos ano yung nandyan sa blue chair?
This Adding's toy.
Nya? Bakit nasa'yo yung toy ni Ading?
Cause it's for airport.
Airport? Asan yung airport?
Right there.
Yeah.
And this is
Ayun yung
the
airport.
bed. And this is the bed.
Okay. Tapos,
And this is the kitchen.
this is the kitchen. Yan.
And the crayons are here.
Bakit nandyan yung crayons mo?
Right here? Cause we have no crayon if I put them there.
Oh, yeah?
Cause I have color book here.
Okay. Bakit ganyan yung basket? Baka malaglag.
No, it's not like look.
You did that?
You did not, cause I iced it.
Okay.
So, okay. Now go there.
Okay, I'm gonna go there. Okay. Oh, your car is here pala.
Yeah, cause the driver's driving it.
Okay. Who's the driver?
It's the passengers. So I'm the passenger and the driver's there.
Okay. Okay. Ano nga lulutuin mo?
I'm gonna little chili.
Chili? Asan yung chili dyan?
There.
Yan? 2 balls? O, magluto ka na. Magluto ka na din.
I'm still waiting for my sister is adding.
Why are you waiting for her?
Cause she's growing up now.
O, yeah? Magluto ka na para may pagkain tayo mamaya.
No, but I'm still waiting for adding to grow up so he can eat for me.
Yeah?
Cause not you, cause she's too big. But adding will grow like short like me, like this. I'm short.
Yeah?
How about you? Should be short too.
Malaki na si mama eh. Big na.
You should be short. Like that.
Bakit?
Cause I'm short. See?
Yeah, but lalaki ka pa naman eh. Tatangkad ka pa.
Oh yeah. How do you? Can you wag your tails? Can you wag your tails? That?
Wala naman akong tail. Tail like this.
I have tail. Like a dog. Like pups.
Yeah.
They have tail and they spin around with her tail when they're doing pop froggy. Alexa, play pop froggy. Can you do it?
Pump by Snoop Dogg on Amazon Music.
Fuck that nigga, bitch. My name is Sam Sneak, better recognize. Fuck
Is that the one that you want to hear?
Papa Foggy.
Papa Pookie.
Like the one, like the one Pops is dancing.
Oh, okay. I think that's not the one. Okay, Alexa, stop.
Now we're still here. We're not going to airport anymore.
Why not?
It's just outside,
Yeah.
not inside. Outside.
Anong gagawin mo sa airport?
You go sit at your chair.
Bakit?
Cause you're gonna bantay ating at the chair.
Oh, sige. Okay, alis na garod ko.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye, guys.
Bye bye, guys.
See you soon.
See you soon.